Welcome to video. In this video, we will be creating pivot tables to extract the top 3 faculty, top 3 courses and the 5 lowest rated factors along. Open a new Excel worksheet. Go to the Insert tab and click on the Pivot Table option. We will now get a pop-up window asking to select a table or range. Choose the database sheet and select the entire table. You should be able to see the name of the table or range in the text box and click OK. When you click on the pivot table area, you will see pivot table fields on the right side. Drag and drop the faculty name into rows and average into values. As default, Excel sums up the average, but we have to change this to average of averages. For this, click on the Sum of Average option on the pivot table fields and select Value Field Settings. In this pop-up, choose the option Average and click OK. We can rename the column heading to Average Rating. To get the top 3 faculty names, click on the arrow Row Labels and choose Value Filters and click on Top 10. Here change the top 10 to top 3 and choose items by average rating option. We can see only top 3 faculty names now. To get top 3 courses, just copy paste the created pivot and unselect faculty name and select course. Now to get the top 3 course, we follow the same method as mentioned previously. To get 5 lowest rated factors, just copy paste the created pivot in a new sheet and unselect the course and average from the pivot table fields. We will explain why we have used a new sheet later in this video. Now drag and drop question 1 into the values section and select question 2 to question 10. Ensure sigma values is shown in the rows section. Change the value field settings of question 1 to question 10 from sum to average. Now rename question 1 to question 10 to their original factor values. For example, change question 1 to intellectually challenging. And similarly the others. We will not get the filter options as we have not added any other field in the row section. Hence, we have used the sort function here. Select all 10 values including the average values and choose sort and filter option on the data tab. Select sort smallest to largest option. Now, in the previous sheet where we were making the dashboard, create a replica of the same table by naming the column headers as 5 least rated factors and average. Under the first column header, give the cell reference to the first cell of the pivot table. Drag the reference to the adjacent cell. Now select both cells under these column headers and drag it down until 4 more cells. Now to create this data into a table, select the entire data set and use the shortcut key Ctrl T. In the pop-up, make sure you have selected My Table Has Header option. Click OK. This is how we created the tables required for viewing the top 3 faculty, top 3 courses and the 5 least rated factors. In the next video, we will use slicers and also use dynamic pictures. Thank you.